Leo, how are you? Hope you're well. This is for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. It is general. I feel like there's a lot at stake here. I don't know, let's keep going. Will not resonate for everyone. Just take what resonates and leave the rest. The rules could be reversed, flip-flop. Just take what resonates. Did I already say that? I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Okay, so King of Swords. Your energy, King of Swords. Giving. Okay, kind of like giving up for now. It's not totally giving up, but putting that sword down. I mean, that's a strong message right there. The King of Swords with the sword down. King of Swords has a lot of mental energy. Typically very clear-minded, though. Sword is down, so it's kind of like I'm not overthinking it, but I am going to take a break. The Four Swords is taking a break. Or, trying to regroup. That sword is right there if needed. It's like this, traditionally this Four Swords means the soldier comes out of the battle to regroup, to heal, to, rejuvenate. But look at that sword right there. And in the other tarot decks, a lot of times you can see the battle going on in the background. It's not that it's over. It's just that he's removed himself. Let's see what else. Communication. Opposite of those. So forward motion, communication, action, decision, judgment card. So second chances, being revived, which way should I go? There might be an element of, is this worth fighting for, is what I'm feeling here. Is this worth fighting for, or should I just stop? Oh, did y'all see that? No. Surely y'all saw that. Put those two cards back, and they flipped out of the deck. That's crazy. Tarot is amazing, isn't it? Let's see. Alright, so let's look at your person. Ooh, 2 cups. So I kind of feel like somebody's coming back, but there's hesitation. Somebody's going to come back, that there's going to be a lot of hesitation on whether or not it can be trusted with the decision here. So let me just say that, if you do decide to take somebody back, and just came through, so I'm just going to say it, and then we move on. You gotta make a decision. You take them back, and then you have to let things go. You can't accept somebody's apology or let them come back and then keep punishing them for the past. Okay, so take that how you want to. But when it comes through, I feel like I have to say it. This is 2 people who love each other, 2 people who give. I feel Moon card for some reason, but there's the Moon. It looks like your person's thoughts are genuine, and it's funny because I kind of felt like this before I started. Look at that. 4 of Wands. If you guys are in a twin flame, I strongly recommend those, my extendeds. They're not really extendeds that go with each video, but they're almost personals, and those will be linked down below. Those are just super, super good and detailed. One of my favorites is the Leo video. It's called She's So High, but it's not like high, kind of high. But that has an extended, I'll link it. But it's so good. And the extended is so good. So I'll link that, and I'll put the extended down below. Okay, so 3 Wands. It's talking about you. It's talking about being high, like in a high, just being very adored. Okay, anyway, 2 cups, 3 of Wands. So forward motion, somebody wants to give, moving. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Your person's coming back. You've got the Lover's card and the Ace of Cups. Somebody's making a decision, and it looks like they want you. So back to what I was saying, if somebody comes back and you take them back, yeah, you're going to have someone return. If you feel like you're going to have a problem with, like continuing to punish them for what they did in the past, or not able to let it go or hold a grudge or whatever, then I think the solution to that is to express it, is to say, I really want to get past this and not dwell. So let's talk through this until it's satisfied. Then once it's satisfied, you are able to let it go, and then you have to let it go. You can't keep punishing someone for something that they are truly sorry for, and they are going to make that clear, right? But it looks like you have somebody coming back and they want to treat you right. Yeah, passion. Somebody's coming back, and it looks good. Looks like it's going to be somebody that loves you. Like somebody's coming back to give you the love you deserve. Clarity. So so the way you can start out conversations like that is, look, I want to give. You can say, let's see how it goes until I feel a little more secure, or whatever. Or you can say, I want to trust this, but here's what I think we need to work through. Also get look at that. Get a counselor's input on how to deal with that. You've got somebody coming back. I just think that you're going to have a hard time letting go of the past, or maybe there's a need to not let them come back too easy, to where the human nature to not appreciate, right, and not value things that we get too easy. So I feel like there might be some concern about that, or maybe right now you're just concerned they come back at all. It's kind of like I feel like you want them to. Okay, I keep getting this. You know what I just picked up on? Somebody that wants somebody to reach out just so they can shoot them down. It might just be a few of you, but it's kind of funny. So be careful. I think I need to change decks. What else is going on for you? Okay, so misunderstanding. Flute. Yeah, disappointment in a friend or lover. You will be shown the way. Look at that. The wall. Misunderstanding. I just kind of felt like a great divide. So there is a need to talk, to get to a common ground. See that? That looks like the Great Wall of China. Disappointment in a friend or lover, and you will be shown the way with a candle. Interesting. But this is very, very, it was trying to tell me that over and over, wasn't it? Where'd it go? There is somebody behind the scenes with deception. Maybe somebody feels a bully. I almost said that. Do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. Wow. And that came out with rat. Someone working against you behind your back. So that might be the conflict here. Somebody may be pulled in between two others. And maybe that needs to be communicated, that you need to know that, not that you expect somebody's support, like when you're wrong, to just appease you, but maybe you need to know that you're supported. Yeah, so there's a disappointment with how somebody, I guess, responded to a conflict. Hard work ahead and spiritual love. So whatever this is, it's not wanting to fall apart, or it's wanting to come back together. And then wow, this is strong. An emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. Wow. Let me get an oracle. Oh, here we are. I'll get some advice. So, advice for you. might be, look at the bigger picture. Okay, also we got, I'm not feeling these as strong, but it says be bold and make the first move and have faith in your dreams. Let's read this, be bold. I mean, look at the big picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Lucy's trying to get comfortable on the bed. Is that noise? Are you thinking too much about details of your dilemma? Fretting over minutiae can be counterproductive. Or perhaps you're being all talk and no action. This card is a reminder that while it's good to think things through, sometimes you need to step back and look at the bigger picture. What do you see? What do you then see about your current situation? What's the most positive thought you can have about it? Now is the time to count your blessings, even if you don't have exactly. We're going to do pendulum at the end, so hang out until the end, and you can ask a yes/no question. This, what's the most positive thought you can have about it? Now is the time to count your blessings, even if you don't have exactly what you want. This card is also a reminder that we often have to take a few risks and go with uncertainty on the journey called life. Try to keep an open mind. It's time to take a mini break or adventure. It also says, additional meaning says, this situation may have come around because you've been distracted. Be confident, but not overconfident to win the day. Have you shown that you care? If not, I'm feeling that super strong. Have you shown that you care? If not, now is the time. So find a balance between speaking your mind and saying too much. Okay? I'm going to pull out the pendulum. So you guys think of a yes/no question. And be real clear about it. Once I let go, you can't change it. And then we will ask the pendulum a question for you. Okay. So once I let go, you can't change. Okay, you guys ready? Let me make sure this is somewhat straight. Okay, ready? Okay, take a deep breath. Ask your focus on your question. I'm going to grab a couple charms too while we're waiting. If I can find them. Oh, try again. I think that's meaning for a message for you. Try again. To go ahead and give this another chance. Because I think the person that's coming in is legit or is sincere. I mean, it's clearly they are. We can try this one more time. Okay, there's a stork. Oops. There's cherries. Cherries always makes me think, please. Oh my gosh, okay. That's that one that means draw a card. So fruit, there's strawberry too. There's love. This says, I will hold you in my heart until I hold you in heaven. And that says Pisces, and trust your intuition. Let me grab the cards that go with that. Okay, so see, I have a deck whenever it lands on that. So that typically means there's something more that is not a yes/no answer. Half of these cards are blank. Let me grab the other deck. Alright. I haven't done these in a while. Okay, this is weird. I'm going to have to mark blank. Oh, so your person is afraid of rejection, or you are? So in that situation, I mean, that's probably why it was saying to communicate love, you know, and that maybe it would be better for you to reach out. And I care more than I know. Wow. I also got you make sure you forgive yourself for not being more, consistent. Okay. Look at that. Crazy. But beautiful. This person's coming back and it's sincere, okay? But they've got some insecurities too. All right, Leo, love you guys. Let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to pitch, I'll link that video that extended below. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Well, the extendeds are all really good. They're not really extended per video, and they're timeless, so check them out. I'll link them below, but also there'll be some, if you guys want to put your manifestations and intentions in the comments so they circulate with the video. I love when you do that, and then you can thumbs up each other's and just